Hello, hello, and welcome back to the English Pro, the podcast where we help you speak English with confidence, naturally, and without fear. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah, and we are so happy you're here with us today.
Whether this is your very first episode,
Or you come back every single day,
this is your space to learn, to grow, and to become the English speaker you want to be.
no pressure, no judgment, just real English, real conversations, real progress. This is the English Pro.
Welcome back, everyone. We are now on episode 3, and today's topic is one of the most requested topics from English learners all over the world.
Yes, and if you are new, please go back and start from episode 1. Each episode builds on the last one. We want you to get the full experience.
But if you are back from episode 2, welcome. How did your daily habit go? Did you talk to yourself in English this morning?
I hope you did, because today we are going deeper. Today we are talking about how to think in English.
This is the episode that changes everything, because once you start thinking in English, your speaking becomes faster, more natural, and so much easier.
Let's go.
Okay, Sara, let me describe something. Tell me if this sounds familiar. Someone asks you a question in English, and inside your head, you think of the answer in your own language first. Then you translate it into English, then you say it.
Oh, that is exactly what I used to do. And by the time I finished translating, either the conversation had moved on or I forgot what I wanted to say.
This is what I call the translation trap, and almost every English learner falls into it.
Why does this happen, Alex?
Because your brain learned your first language before English, so when you think, your brain automatically goes to your first language. It feels safer, it feels faster.
So it is not a mistake. It is just a habit.
Exactly. And just like any habit, it can be changed. But here's the key. You cannot think faster in English by studying more grammar. You have to train your brain like a muscle.
And that is exactly what today's exercises will do.
Let me explain something interesting. When babies learn their first language, they do not translate anything. They see a dog, and they hear the word dog. They connect the word directly to the thing. No translation, no middle step.
So the goal is to do the same thing with English. See a chair, think chair. Feel hungry, think I am hungry. No translation, direct connection.
And this is possible. It just takes practice. The more you use English to describe your world, the more your brain starts to use it automatically.
It is like building a new road in your brain. At first, the road is small and slow, but every time you use it, it gets bigger and faster.
And one day, you do not even notice. You're just thinking in English, naturally, without effort.
That is the goal, and it's closer than you think.
All right, let's get practical. Here are 4 exercises to start thinking in English today.
Exercise number 1, label your world. Look around the room you are in right now. Pick 5 things and say their name in English. Chair, window, phone, cup, light.
Simple, but very powerful. You are training your brain to see the world in English. Do this everywhere you go. Walking down the street, tree, car, door, sky, people.
You will be surprised how fast this becomes automatic. Within 1 week, you will start seeing English words instead of your language words.
Exercise number 2, think in simple sentences. Not just words, full sentences. When you wake up, think, I am tired. I need coffee. Today is Wednesday. When you eat, think, this food is delicious. I am hungry. I like this.
The sentences do not need to be perfect. They do not need to be long. Simple is perfect. Simple is the goal.
Exercise number 3, ask yourself questions in English. During your day, ask yourself, what am I doing right now? How do I feel today? What do I want for dinner? And answer in English. This is like having a little English conversation with yourself inside your head. And the more you do it, the more natural it becomes.
Exercise number 4, replace 1 word a day. Every day, pick one word from your language that you use a lot and replace it with the English word all day.
For example, if you often say okay in your language, start saying okay in English instead. If you say say let's go in English instead.
One word at a time, one day at a time. This is how your brain slowly switches over to English.
And before you know it, English is not a foreign language anymore. It is just how you think. Okay, today's challenge. Look around the room you are in right now. Find 5 things and describe them in English in the comments below. Example, I see a white wall, a brown door, a blue phone, a green plant, a wooden table.
5 things in English in the comments. That is your challenge for today.
Thank you so much for being here today. Episode 4 is coming very soon, and it is a really fun one. We're talking about common mistakes in English speaking.
You are probably making some of them right now without knowing it. But don't worry, after episode 4, you will know exactly how to fix them.
Subscribe so you don't miss it. Share this with one friend who needs it today. And remember,
Think in English, start small, stay consistent.
see you in episode 4.